Hey there, welcome to Top Spot channel. Today I will share with you, lemons can be useful for so many different things. Here are 7 tricks we didn't know about. Lemons can be useful for so many different things. Here are 7 tricks we didn't know about. 7 handy tricks using lemons. We've written about the benefits and hidden depths of lemons before, but we recently found out even more great uses for a simple lemon. Who knew this sour fruit could be so useful? We're astounded, that's for sure. Keep reading for 7 handy lemon tips. A simple lemon can be of great use around the house. 1. Cleaning the microwave. Use a lemon to clean your dirty and greasy microwave. Fill a bowl with water and add the juice and zest of 1 lemon. Heat this up for 4 minutes, and then use the warm lemon water to clean the microwave on the inside. 2. Nail whitening. It's a common problem for women. Nails changing color due to too much nail polish. It doesn't look very pretty. Luckily, there's a simple trick to get your nails back to their normal color, after taking the nail polish off, of course. Slice a lemon in 2 and use this to rub your nails. Your nails will look like themselves again afterwards. 3. Repelling insects. A lot of insects, like mosquitoes and ants, really don't like lemons. Mix together the juice of a lemon with some water, pour this into a spray bottle, and spray the mixture in several spots around your home. Goodbye, insects. 4. Lemon detox. A lot has been written about the health benefits of drinking a glass of warm water with lemon every morning. It's said to help against constipation, prevent halitosis, detox your liver and make your skin glow. That definitely sounds like it's worth a try. Plus, it's tasty, too. 5. Cleaning a chopping board. We often use a chopping board to cut meat and vegetables on. Unfortunately, some bad smells can be left behind even after cleaning the board. A lemon can help with this, though. Rub half a lemon over the chopping board, and you kill the bacteria on there and get rid of the smells. So handy. 6. Lemon and salt scrub. A face scrub can make your skin glow and make sure dead skin cells are removed. Who wouldn't want that after a few gray and gloomy winter months? Unfortunately, face scrubs are pretty expensive. Luckily, it's very easy to make your own scrub. An added benefit. It doesn't contain any irritating ingredients like perfume and parabens. You need 200 grams of sea salt, 250 milliliters oil, olive, coconut or almond, and 30 milliliters of lemon juice. Gradually add the oil to the salt until it looks like a scrub. Then mix the lemon juice through as well. Put the mixture in a nice jar, and it would even make a nice gift. 7. Get rid of nasty smells. You know the deal. You've done some excellent cook. Thanks for watching. If you like this videos, then hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more updates. Stay tuned and peace.